How to verify debit card details. Verifying debit card details usually involves ensuring that the information provided matches the actual details registered with the bank. Here's how you can verify debit card details safely. Double-check the card number, expiry date, and CVV on your debit card. These must match what you enter during transactions. Log into your bank's app or website to ensure your card is active and linked to your account. Try a small online transaction or a balance inquiry at an ATM. This confirms your card is working correctly. Never share your PIN or CVV with anyone claiming to verify your card. That's it. Thanks for watching.